I needed to make a small knob. Thought this would be a good opportunity to record some video of using the skew. I'd already started, but here I'm just coming in and doing a shearing cut, or peel cut it's called. Here I'm coming back with a more traditional peel cut, starting from one end, digging in, using about half of the blade. I keep getting a little chip stuck under the blade that's preventing me from cutting. Just going along and doing a shear cut along the edge, and then I can flow to the end and clean it up. Now I'm using a traditional skew cut to clean up the end, so this was not round or flat on the end, so I'm just cleaning up the end. This is a more traditional skew cut. It's what the skew is really good at, and you'll see when this stops how clean a cut that gives. So I'm just picking up the lower edge and really cutting just with a lower quarter or even eighth of the blade, starting at the tip and then flowing in. There's not a lot of pressure once you get it started, now that I'm past the place that's not round. And here we'll get a quick look at the finish. So you see the end is very smooth, but the edges where I did the peel cut are not very nice. So here I'm coming back and I'm doing a more traditional cut. And again, I'm using just the bottom, probably eighth of the blade to do this cut. If you get the top end in there, it's going to catch. And then upside down to come in with a more perpendicular cut. None of these cuts is the skew resting flat on the rest. But now you can see the finish I get with that cut. It's much, much better than the peel cut.